steak, I just tenderize it or stab holes in it all over, try to get that season throughout. You know what I'm saying? These are the seasons that I'm going to be using on the steak. Alright, when seasoning these steaks, don't go light on the seasoning unless you don't like flavor. This is what we're going to just throw on the skillet just like that. Just cook it with butter and leave it for like 10-15 minutes on each side. I mean, just still on it for a while before turning it. Don't turn it all the time. Also, add seasoning as needed. I'll flip it, add some seasoning, flip it, add some seasoning. Cut some holes in it, slice it up, check the inside, stuff like that. I just cut it like so in some diagonal slits along it. That way I can check the inside. Macaroni and cheese, you add that butter in there, and shredded cheese of your liking. Something like that, maybe a little bit more, but top it off with a little bit of pepper as well. Not too much. Stir that up. Add the cheese that comes with the pack or the box. And just stir that up. Instant mashed potatoes, ain't gotta do nothing, just boil water. Throw the pack of instant mashed potatoes in there and stir it up, and then boom. Macaroni and cheese is done. Steak is done. Mashed potatoes are done. All in all, that meal took me about 13 minutes to cook. So 13 to 20 minutes to cook. So it doesn't take long to cook, as long as, especially if you have everything thawed out and ready to go already. Peace. Plate it.